feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
So I'm going to bring my blender and transfer this into it.
Paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move.
There is my celery. I'm going to start to cut. If today is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. My name is Billy. This is Homemaking with Billy. On this channel, I bring to you recipes, lifestyle, remedies, weight loss recipe, as well as tips. I hope you enjoy your time here. I'm going to add it into the pineapple. I upload a video every week, so don't forget to check out my channel, and if you like what you see, subscribe, press on the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Since I'm going to add cut in the cucumber. Here's my cucumber. I've already started to cut this. I'm going to cut it into cubes and I'll add it into this blender. Here is my ginger. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to peel the squeeze the lemon, my lemon squeezer, another one, so here are all the goodies. I'm going to add water and then I will be ready to blend. To cover this and I'll be blending. Lock. Let's blend. I'm going to blend now. Blend it. Let's have a look. I'm going to strain it now. Here's my sieve. I'm going to strain. I'm going to pour water to rinse this. Our drink is now ready. I'm going to serve it in a cup. So here is our weight loss and detox drink is now ready. I'm just going to serve it now, garnishing it with that lemon and our strawberry. This drink is really easy and good, very tasty as well. You will like to drink it like water. It's so nice and good and very, very effective. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me likes, leave your comment below, share to families and friends, and if you are not subscribed to this channel, what are you still waiting for? Please press on the subscribe button And remember to press on that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.